this video, I'm going to show one option for joining tubes when making a roll cage or roll bar. Now, in terms of racing applications, ensure that you check with the sanctioning body, the rules, whatever, making sure that it is kosher with that. However, one nice strong way to do that, which is allowed by at least some sanctioning bodies, is a much better option to just a plain butt weld, which are almost never allowed, especially on the main hoop for racing applications. Honestly, even for street applications, you want to be careful. And this is chromoly, which can be a little bit more brittle, prone to breaking, so you have to be a little bit more careful as well. Any case, so what I did, because I'm not really super great at bending tubing yet, I'm getting better, but in the planning purposes, I decided to make my main hoop in two pieces for ease of fitment and making sure it's really refined and fitting the contours of the car. So that made it a lot easier. However, to strengthen that joint there, instead of just doing a butt joint, so the bar is made out of 1 3/4 inch chromoly. I purchased 4-inch section like this, which wherever you order your metal from, you can just order it that length. And it fits right inside there like that. So it basically telescopes within there. And then I drilled with a step drill bit some holes like that to be able to do a rosette weld. Now this is currently just tacked into place because I'm still in the fitment phase of this. And there is a much longer video showing the details of how I fit this into my project El Camino there. So interested in that, please check that out. But I'll go ahead and weld those in. Those rosette welds will help to strengthen that there. And then I will do the butt weld there. However, just the butt weld alone could be compromised in an impact situation. So this is one good option. Now, please share your comments, any ideas, and again, if used for racing purposes, please make sure you check with the rules before you go ahead and take this advice. That's coming from a well-equipped hobbyist, but not a professional. Okay? Thanks for checking out the video.